Hello guys, welcome to my new viewers. Kindly subscribe, and for my old viewers, thank you for coming back. I've been having these questions on how to use Binance for a mobile app for beginners, and I decided to do a quick video to run through the interface of Binance and how you'll be able to use Binance for as a beginner and make money from Binance, guys. So kindly subscribe, listen as we go through the Binance interface on how to make money from Binance. When you log in your Binance and you open an account with Binance, you create an account with Binance, you will have to put in a valid identification number. If you're Nigerian or you're from any other country, you have to put in a valid identification number of your choice in that particular country. And when you put in a valid identification number and your number, you will be welcomed to the Binance family and your account will now be verified. And when your account is now verified, now this is how the Binance interface looks like. So when you open an account with Binance, you see a Binance Lite and Binance Pro. Or what you have to just swap with Binance Pro. And if you are conversing with the Binance Lite, that is good. You can be using the Binance Lite, guys. Over here, this is the interface, the home interface. We have the deposit. You can either deposit crypto or you can deposit cash. We have deposit. We have the referrals. This referral button. This is where you get your identification number, and you can refer your loved ones, friends. And when they create an account with Binance and invest, you're able to earn some money. So this is also a means of earning money from the referral. What you have to do is just invite your friends, let them use your referral code, and you're able to earn money from Binance. And over here, this is strategic trading. I will be doing a video on that on a special day. This is the Binance Live. Will also be doing a video on that on a special day. But trust me, the Binance Live is booming. Over here, you have to join a large community of streamers and make money, and you'll be gifted more coins, guys. But that is about the few interface. I just wanted to do a quick video. And over here, we have these are those trending now, making the market charts. We have plus 5.11 BNB/BUSD, BTC BUSD, and these are those gaining grounds now, trending currently, and these are the gainers of this week we just passed. You can check out this auto/USD made 3S. There is almost 69 plus gains for those that have traded it. That is cool. And over here we have the losers, those that went down in this particular week, guys, and this is the 24 hours volume. I'm sure you know about that. Let's move straight to the market interface. Now, over the market interface, we have some coins, altcoins, and fiat currencies at the up. BUSDT is a stable coin. So these are the particular currency pairs we have BUSDT down here. You can check all these particular currencies with BUSDT. The green means the market is up, and the red means the market is down. You can check USD. We use USD more because USD is a stable coin and has high just have high trading and profit than the BUSD. So USDT is a preferred stable coin for me, but BUSDT is cool, and BNB is the Binance coin. BTC is the only coin on its own and has high market volume. You already know that. And altcoins are all other coins and these are all other coins aside BTC. They are all called altcoins, and you can see the BNB, GMT, BT, BED/ED. These are all altcoins and the currency pairs. You can choose one of your choice, and if you want fiat, this is fiat. You see these Australian dollars and so many currencies that you can trade on your own. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be doing the explanation of using BTC/USDT, and this is how the market charts look like. And for a new beginner, I don't advise you to start trading with 1 hour 3 minutes time graph. I spend at least 2 hours, 6 hours is okay. When you do this, you see this is the explanation of the market. You can see I'm going to be doing a video and teach you how the market is and how the market is, and I will do a video on how to trade and how to read technical analysis. But when you look at this chart, you can see this is a triangle. There's a breakout and a breaking of this market and how it's moving. Currently it's on bullish, and it has a high resistance here, and there's a high resistance here before it broke down, and this is the support level so far. I will do a video on that, on how to trade and how to read technical analysis and how to analyze and buy This is when want to buy. Now, when you want to buy using the market price, that's the common things people do. When you want to use the market price, it's cool. We are buying at the current market price, and but if you want to sell, I advise to sell using the limit, or because when you sell using the limit, you are selling at the price you want. But when you want to buy using the limit, sometimes the market will not trigger because the order you want may not come to pass. Let's say you are buying the current market price is $30.712, $30,712, and you want to buy you want to buy you want to at your own price. You now buy for 29.666. That is the limit price you want to buy. But sometimes it may not trigger because BTC may not fall below that particular value. So when you want to buy easily, buy with the market price, and when you want to sell, you sell with the limit price limit. That is one of the easiest way to do about that. And like I said, this is the market. And stop limit, you have to use the stop limit when you want to. Stop limit is very cool when you're trading to avoid losses. When you're trading and you stop limits and you fix a stop limit for a particular buy clause, and when the market falls to that particular stop limit, it will trigger the buy order. That is cool. That's how to use stop limit. And OCO, I won't advise use OCO now for a beginner because OCO has to do with stop in market cancelling each other. I won't advise you to use OCO now for a beginner. You can master this first and you learn about it. And over here to the wallet, this is where you have to fund, withdraw, either it's crypto or cash, or fund any fund you want to guide. It's very cool. So that is just a quick interface on how to use Binance. I'm going to be doing a video. My next video is going to be on technical analysis, how to read technical analysis, how to do your technical analysis, how to study charts, and how to understanding resistance, trend lines, and every other stuff. So stay tuned. You can also drop your comment section on what you want us to do next for you guys. Trust you. Have a nice day. Bye.